Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Edge is updated and the page you want is open. This ensures Read Aloud features are present. Once the page is loaded, click the three dots or right-click to find Read Aloud. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to begin immediately. Make sure the page content is selectable. If it's a protected PDF, allow permissions or open it in Edge's PDF viewer. These first actions put you directly into the reading mode quickly, so you can control voice and pace. Once Read Aloud is running, focus on the top control bar to tune the experience. You can pick a voice from the menu, choose neural voices for better naturalness, and adjust the speed slider to match your listening preference. If the option appears, switch to Immersive Reader first to remove ads and layout clutter that improves pronunciation accuracy. Also try keyboard shortcuts, play/pause, next/previous paragraph, and speed shortcuts. These let you navigate without touching the mouse while listening. Finish by using playback controls to move through sections. Pause, skip forward, or rewind to repeat a sentence. Using keyboard shortcuts keeps flow uninterrupted. If you want better voices, go to Edge Settings, right arrow Languages or Accessibility to download additional TTS voices. Make sure system audio devices are selected. If speech is choppy, update Edge, restart the browser, and confirm site content is allowed. If problems persist, clear cache and try Immersive Reader. These final steps secure smooth, reliable reading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.